Hey y'all, today I decided to make a citrus potato salad using DivineKuzine remoulade sauce. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to cook this, and I have some red potatoes here, so I'm just gonna do a roughly chop. Okay, so now we're gonna add a tablespoon and a half of red onion to our potato mixture. We have some fresh parsley, chopped fresh parsley we're gonna add to our potato salad. We have some pepper, we have some salt, and now we have our dressing, our citrus basil dressing we're gonna add, and then we're gonna stir all that together. Well combined it. Looks really good. Nice and summery and springy. So for a little sweetness factor, we're gonna put some DivineKuzine sugar spice, about a tablespoon of that in there. We're gonna take the other half of our orange and we're going to squeeze the rest of the orange into the salad. We're gonna put a little more salt in here for taste, so about another teaspoon of salt that you're gonna add to it. And then we're gonna add some fresh dill in here as well. Okay, y'all, so I made my citrus potato salad with two of DivineKuzine's products, the DivineKuzine remoulade sauce and the sugar spice. So now we're gonna go in. Now we're going in for the taste. So I'm gonna get some of my potatoes, my citrus. You know, this is fancy, y'all, fancy. Okay, let's taste it. Okay, let me tell you. This will be good. I'm going for, you know, I have to get second taste. Okay. It's hella good. This would be good with like some salmon, like some grilled salmon, and then, or some chicken, because it's like citrusy, so you taste that orange, and then that remoulade, you know, has a little kick of spice in it, and then the sugar spice is a little sweet, so you got the acidity, spice, and sweet, so you got all flavors all in one. And then you got those potatoes, so it's and they're firm, and that dill, and the dill and the basil all the herbs you put in there. So it's a real nice summery potato salad, not like your classic potato salad, but like all the herbs. It's like real summery. You got your salmon, your chicken, or something like that. You got to get these products, DivineKuziine.com. Don't forget to subscribe, buy the remoulade sauce, the sugar spice. It always brings your food to the next level. Chef Shay.